Number 16. Do damage. It means to cause harm or injury to someone or something.
The storm did damage to many houses in town. The storm did damage to many houses in town. Scratching your eye can do damage to it. Scratching your eye can do damage to it. The leaked chemicals did damage to the environment. The leaked chemicals did damage to the environment.
Number 17. Do an experiment. It means to perform a scientific procedure to test a hypothesis.
In science class, we will do an experiment today. In science class, we will do an experiment today. She did an experiment with plant growth and light. She did an experiment with plant growth and light. They're doing an experiment to understand chemical reactions. They're doing an experiment to understand chemical reactions.
Number 18. Do harm. It means to cause injury, damage, or negative effects.
Smoking can do harm to your lungs. Smoking can do harm to your lungs. He didn't mean to do harm with his words. He didn't mean to do harm with his words. Overworking can do harm to your health. Overworking can do harm to your health.
Number 19. Do one's hair. It means to style or arrange one's hair.
She spends 30 minutes doing her hair each morning. She spends 30 minutes doing her hair each morning. He did his hair before going on the date. He did his hair before going on the date. I need to do my hair before the party. I need to do my hair before the party.
Number 20. Do the ironing. It means to iron clothes to remove wrinkles.
On Sundays, I usually do the ironing for the week. On Sundays, I usually do the ironing for the week. He's doing the ironing while watching television. He's doing the ironing while watching television. Can you do the ironing for these shirts? Can you do the ironing for these shirts?